Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Learn Like Pro, the podcast where you practice English with real conversations. I'm Anna.
And I'm Sam. Today we're sitting in a cozy cafe, drinking coffee, and talking about daily life, using simple English.
Listen carefully, relax, and enjoy learning with us.
Anna, what do you usually do in the morning?
Hmm. In the morning, I wake up at 6:30. I drink a big glass of water, then I make coffee. After that, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually, I eat toast with jam. Sometimes I eat yogurt with fruit. And you, Sam?
I'm very lazy in the morning. I just drink coffee and run to work.
Let's learn some words from our conversation. Toast, a piece of bread that is cooked until it's brown and crispy.
Jam, sweet fruit spread you put on bread.
And yogurt, a creamy food made from milk. Sometimes it has fruit inside.
Anna, after breakfast, what do you do?
After breakfast, I take a walk outside if the weather is nice. I like fresh air before work.
That's a good idea. Fresh air wakes you up.
Yes. And I also listen to podcasts, just like this one. It helps me learn new things.
Here are some useful phrases from today. Wake up when you stop sleeping. Drink a glass of water, a healthy start to your day. Take a walk. Go outside and walk for exercise or fun.
You can repeat after us. Wake up, drink a glass of water, take a walk.
All right, today we talked about morning routines and learned some new words and phrases.
Thank you for joining us at English Learn Like Pro. Remember, listen, repeat, and practice a little every day.
And don't forget, enjoy the process just like you enjoy a good cup of coffee.
See you next time. Bye-bye. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.